PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides expert dryer vent cleaning services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, ensuring the safety and efficiency of your home's dryer system. Our skilled technicians use specialized equipment to remove lint, debris, and other obstructions from your dryer vents, reducing the risk of fire hazards and improving dryer performance. With thorough cleaning and inspection, we help extend the lifespan of your dryer and enhance its energy efficiency. Trust PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair to deliver reliable and professional dryer vent cleaning services that prioritize your home's safety and convenience in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania. Schedule your dryer vent cleaning appointment today. Call our hotline for HVAC services and repair and to learn more about services. Are you looking for a dryer vent cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair. What specific services does PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair offer for dryer vent cleaning in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania? PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers specialized dryer vent cleaning services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, to remove lint, debris, and blockages from dryer vents, ensuring optimal performance and safety. How does PJ MAC HVAC ensure thoroughness and effectiveness in its dryer vent cleaning services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania? PJ MAC HVAC ensures thoroughness and effectiveness in its dryer vent cleaning services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, by utilizing industry-standard equipment and techniques to dislodge and extract lint and debris from the vent system. What is your service for the Swarthmore, Pennsylvania office? Our local dryer vent cleaning services have served Swarthmore, Lima, Elwyn, Glen, Riddle, Media, Rose Valley, Brookhaven, Parkside, Upland, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Prospect Park, Wallingford, Moylan, Rose, Tree, Nether, Providence Township, Milmont Park, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair Service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/Fairview RD Swarthmore HVAC Service/